Hello everyone, welcome back in our class. In last class we have to discuss about nutrition in plants. Now nutrition in other organism. Here firstly we have to discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition we have to discuss in plants. Now heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is classified or further categorized into three categories: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. In saprophytic nutrition, what is the meaning of saprophytic nutrition? Means in this type of nutrition, organisms take their nutrients from other dead and decaying organic matter. Okay, examples are bacteria and fungi. Here we take example of bacteria and fungi. Means bacteria and fungi are the examples of that organism that have a saprophytic nutrition. It's a type of heterotrophic nutrition. Means it take nutrients from the other dead and decaying organic matter. After that, second one, parasitic nutrition. This type of nutrition in which organism obtain food from other organism without killing them. Means from the other organism they take a nutrition but don't kill them, that are as a parasite on them, and other organism is a host for them. Means they take food or nutrition from other organism. Okay, like a mosquito, tapeworm, etc. Mosquitoes suck the blood of human beings. Simply you have to know, mosquitoes suck our blood and take nutrition from our blood. They have harmful effect on the host but not kill them. They harmful effect on the host but not kill them. This type of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition. Okay, after that, third one is a holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition, in this type of nutrition, organism take food, their digestion, absorption, assimilation, these processes are included in the holozoic nutrition. Means firstly that organism that have holozoic nutrition, they intake the food, that is ingestion. After that, absorption, assimilation of different solid and liquid organic material. That type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Examples in animals and humans. Animals and human, you have to know this type of nutrition is a holozoic nutrition. These are the three different types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. In saprophytic, they take their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter. Parasitic take the nutrients from the other organism without killing them, but they have harmful effect on them. Okay, holozoic nutrition, in this type of nutrition, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, these processes are included. Examples of animals and humans. Next we have to discuss nutrition in humans. Nutrition in a human. In this process there is different parts of our body that are included in the nutrition process. Means firstly we intake food, then it's go to our teeth, chew them. There is a different processes are included. Okay, so complete digestion we have to discuss in next class, but here I tell you different body parts that take part in the digestion or taking nutrition from the food. Firstly, intake food from the mouth. Mouth we intake food. After that teeth. Teeth break down the food particles. Okay. After that tongue. Tongue have the help in the tasting and rolling the food. Help in the tasting and rolling the food. Rolling the food. After that salivary glands. From the salivary gland digestion process is started. Okay, means here saliva is secreted, it change the different food materials like enzymes are present, that is salivary amylase, that is salivary amylase that convert the food into simple sugar, means starch to sugar. The next the digestion process from the salivary gland we have to discuss in our next class. Firstly we intake food from the mouth. Teeth break down the food particles, tongue taste havoc as it is testing and rolling the food material. After that in our mouth there is salivary glands present, means digestion of food start from our mouth. Okay, in our mouth there is salivary glands present, they secrete saliva and saliva have an enzyme salivary amylase. From salivary amylase digestion of food is started. These things we have to discuss in next class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.